If you're looking to add a little color to your garden, why not go big by adding a prairie fire crabapple? You can see behind me the amazing display of cranberry colored flowers that cover the canopy in early spring. It's actually just a beautiful plant that's really going to make that impact for people that might be going by your landscape. But the display doesn't just end in spring. In fact, it continues on as it pushes out that foliage later on. That's going to be kind of a burgundy red colored foliage in the summer months that will slowly transition to a deep green with some red veins in it as you go into the fall months. Now finally, as you head from fall into winter, it's going to produce these crab apples. After all of these pollinated flowers continue maturing, you're going to get these small fruits that persist through the winter months, and they're actually edible and preferred by the wildlife, so you're going to help benefit that wildlife in your community as well. So it's really a small tree that's going to give you year-round benefit. Now again, I mentioned it is a small tree. It's only going to reach max out about 20 feet tall, so it's a nice tree. If you have utility lines or something going across the back of your yard, you can still plant this one underneath there. Now you might be thinking, crab apples, aren't those prone to different diseases? While some of them are, this prairie fire is actually resistant to a lot of those that kind of affect some of the more common crab apples. So some of those diseases that you might hear about are fire blight, scab, cedar apple rust, and prairie fire has shown high resistance to those. So we've had these planted out here at the gardens for several years and have never had any problems with them. So an excellent tree to plant in your landscape. It does need full sun and well-drained soil. It is hardy to zone 4, so you don't have to worry about sometimes those unseasonably really cold temperatures that we can get in our Oklahoma winters. This is an Oklahoma proven plant, so it is tried and true to add to your landscape.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.